Hello, welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. This is part 2 of another video. You might see it as another episode. I'm Nikki.
My name is Agina. Welcome back.
If you please subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post.
When we post, I was waiting for that part because we must say that. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed. Today we are talking about sentences that have time in them. So there's something about time in all these sentences we're talking about. And just enjoy the video. If you've not watched the first part, Nikki will point at where the first part is. And then you'll just click on that, watch that, come back, watch this one. Did you set the timer?
No.
Seriously? Okay, we'll manage without a timer. Good. So what I'm doing is I'm reading, she's reading and then I'm just correcting her reading. So you can also read with her. Let's start.
Be ise winjo kaka nyathino wer mamit. Nyoro ne awinjo sa 10 odhiambo.
Be isewinjo kaka nyathino wer mamit. Be isewinjo kaka nyathino wer mamit. Nyoro ne awinjo sa 10 odhiambo. Nyoro ne awinjo sa 10 odhiambo. So have you heard how that kid sings? Hang on, sings how he's singing beautifully. Yeah, sings beautifully. Yesterday I had at 4 o'clock in the evening. Remember, sir, apar in Luo is 10, but 10 in time factor in Luo, 10 means 4 o'clock. So it's 10. It's like the Swahili. They adopted the Swahili method of counting time. So 10 means 4, 4 means 10, 7 means 1, 1 means 7, and like that.
Wiane ochako bara sa 8 nitek tieng ne rieny matek.
Again?
Wiane ochako bara sa 8 nikech tieng ne rieny matek.
Good. Wiane ochako bara sa 8 nikech chieng' ne rieny matek. Wiya ne ochako bara sa 8 nikech chieng' ne rieny matek. Nikech chieng' ne rieny matek. Nikech chieng' ne rieny matek. Good. That one you've read very nicely.
Atedo adong kod sa 1:30 to chiemo chiek.
Wait, did we talk about the meaning of this?
No.
We are not chakobara. I had started having a headache. Saboro. Saboro is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I started having a headache at 2 o'clock in the afternoon because of the sun. The sun was really shining. That's a complaint by someone, some lazy person somewhere. Okay.
Atedo adong kod sa 1:30 to chiemo chiek.
Atedo adong kod sa 1:30 to chiemo chiek. Atedo adong kod sa 1:30
adong kod sa achiel gi nus.
To chiemo chiek.
To chiemo chiek.
I'm cooking. I have 1.5 hours left for the food to be ready. Iwinjo, Baba. Thank you. Aya, mano.
Ase somo buk mar tedo. Nasome sa 11 okinyi.
Again, that's nice.
Ase somo buk mar tedo. Nasome sa 11 okinyi.
Ase somo buk mar tedo.
Ase somo buk mar tedo.
Nasome sa 11 okinyi.
Nasome sa 11 okinyi.
Nasome sa 11 okinyi.
Nasome sa 11 okinyi.
You're doing wonders. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, as Nikki would say, finya like, press the like button. Okay? Tieki. Tieki means finish.
Yes.
So tieki in Luo.
If you
In Luo. Tieki.
ik
Ka video ni olombi akwayo ni mondo idi like ka video ni olombi akwayo ni mondo idi like kendo subscribe inyalo yudowa
Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Patreon.
gigo te
Gigo te.
erokamano
Erokamano.
sani owacho ni oriti.